Could cryptocurrency replace paper money? Cryptocurrency will eventually replace paper money, but this can come about in only one of two ways: rapidly and violently, in which case the result will be cheap and perverse, or else gradually and voluntarily, in which case the result will be beneficial for everyone. In the former case, if cash were outlawed and crypto became the enforced social currency, it would require a sufficient amount of the population to be able to use crypto easier than cash. Otherwise, the economy would collapse as it would exclude the majority or working class proles. To accomplish this in short order would require the mass RFID tagging of the populace in a campaign neither voluntary nor humane, such that crypto could be exchanged in a manner easier than even cash or credit cards, that is, via subcutaneous implant chip. Again, this method of implementation for such a currency would be catastrophic to the confidence necessary to bolster a fiscally fluid global economy, and could only be accomplished by a vast and nefarious conspiracy. On the other hand, if crypto remains, as it has been, rolled out relatively slowly as a competing currency, it will be allowed to prove its worth alongside the value of paper cash and credit-backed banking systems, and thus come to be adopted, or not, only on its own best merits. This will mean that the anonymity per transaction and the preservation of a blockchain encrypted receipt will likely be maintained even into future iterations of crypto, such as will become possible in the near future with quantum computers.